어떻게 지내세요? In English, it means, how are you? 잘 모르겠습니다. It means, I'm not fine. 당신은요? In English, it means, how about you? 조심해요. It means, take care. 오랜만이에요. It is a semi-formal way to say, it's been a while. 오랜만입니다. It is a formal way to say, it's been a while. 나이가 몇 살입니까? It means, how old are you? 괜찮아요. It means, it's alright or I'm okay. 그것을 좋아해요. It means, I like it. 좋아해요. It means, you're welcome. 맞아요 means, that's right. 지금 뭐해요? This sentence means, what are you doing now? 지금 means now, 뭐 means what, and 해요 means doing. 지금 뭐해요? 어디 가요? It means, where are you going? 어디 means where, and 가요 means going. 어디 가요? 나는 좋아요. In English, it means, I like you. 보고 싶어요. It means, I miss you. 사랑해요. It means, I love you. 내일 만나요. It means, see you tomorrow. 내일 means tomorrow and 만나요 means to meet. 내일 만나요. 여보세요. It means, hello on phone. 여보세요 and 안녕하세요 has the same meaning but their usage are different. 여보세요 means hello that is only used on phone. If you answer a call or want to know if the person on the line was still there, you are saying hello, hello. In Korean, its equivalent is 여보세요. 여보세요 cannot use to greet friends or someone you know. Alright? 생일 축하합니다. In English, it means happy birthday. 어디에 삽니까? It means, where do you live? 배고파요. It means, I'm hungry. 실례합니다. It means, excuse me. 문제 있어요? It means, have a problem. 문제 means problem and 있어요 means to have. 문제 있어요? 문제 없어요. It means no problem. 문제 means problem and 없어요 means not to have. 문제 없어요. 감사합니다. Thank you.